Finally, the sit down video I've been wanting to do for a really long time. Hi, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the third time I'm trying to post long form videos again. So if you're watching this video, I know you are a true friend because I know I'm totally inactive on YouTube. Anyways, coming to the point, in this video, I'm going to share everything I use to edit my videos, stories, carousels, basically everything. So yeah, let's start. Quick context before we start. I actually started out as an editor in Tone where I used Premiere Pro on my laptop. That's where I learned the basics, timings, cuttings, audios, flows. Later I shifted to my phone because it was more convenient, and now I edit almost everything on my iPad. So nothing is a beginner or a pro tool. It's basically what fits your lifestyle right now. Okay, so the app I use the most is InShot. I edit all my reels there. I add videos to the timeline. I do cropping, framing, audio, texts, everything there. It's great if you want to do transition videos, talking videos, recommendations, everything I do because it's just so convenient. By the way, I do not use the inbuilt transition filters or effects they have. I just do clean cuts because I think it looks more put together. Also, I used to use InShot even when I was editing on my iPhone, and the iPad just makes it more comfortable. The app works the same. Now if I want to edit my photos, I use Lightroom. I think it would be a great investment if you are taking content creation seriously. I'll also add pictures here which I edited on Lightroom so you can see the difference. And again, I do not use the inbuilt presets they have. It completely changes your face. For creative carousels, invoices, PDFs, sometimes even stories, documents, and a lot more stuff, I use Canva. I have the paid version, so love the font options and variety. It just makes the content look more fun. Now this app is purely for fun. I love using Dashcam sometimes while clicking photos, sometimes later in the editing. If you love warm, cozy, vintagey film camera vibes, slightly imperfect photos, you can definitely try this app. I've used Premiere Pro earlier for clients, and it's great if you're someone who prefers editing on a computer or a laptop. But for Instagram and even basic YouTube, you don't really need it. At the moment, I feel iPad workflow fits perfectly to me. So yeah, that's literally everything I use, and let me know in the comment section if you want my exact app settings or tutorials. Also leave in the comment section what you edit on phone, iPad, or a tab or a laptop. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, or maybe I'll try to see you in the next video. Bye.